Where's mommy?
Mommy is at home. She's not gonna be with us because it's only for two-seater. Okay?
Okay.
Baby, just sit and relax, okay? Like that. And then your bag right here, okay? Your seatbelts on, okay? Okay.
Eh?
Hi guys.
Alright, so today I'm with Keisha. She has 100% energy and Daddy has 60% energy because Daddy is not used to waking up in the morning because today Daddy is going to be her school service but not in a school bus but in a...
Workout.
Is it fast?
Or slow. What?
What's slow? Oh, it's Lucas sports car, na the slow one. But Daddy's car, the fast one, okay?
Okay.
Kapag-asar talaga to, parang mami na eh.
1, 2, 3, go.
Eh?
Daddy, it's not sunny day.
Yes, it's actually rainy day. Tada!
Magic.
You'll feel the sports car better. Because of the wind, it will make it faster. Yes?
Yeah. Daddy, the wind is so strong. My umbrella is so broken.
No. There's no umbrella. Daddy's not gonna make it fast, okay? And I will not break your umbrella, promise. Woo!
Fast car.
Yes! Okay, Keisha, we're here. Good job! Daddy will just stay in the car and wait for you.
Okay. Bye, Daddy. I love you.
One more kiss. Uy! Uy! Okay, nahatid na natin si Lakeisha sa school. Ngayon habang naghihintay tayo ng 3 oras, 9 AM to 12 PM sa klase niya, gagawa muna tayo ng mga errands. Magkakape, tapos magbubuhat, at konting mga errands meeting. Okay? Ards, morning.
Ay, morning, bossing.
Flex ko lang si Makmak. Siya yung nag-organize ng BG Haunted House. Words, congrats Words, magaling ka words
Siyempre, pakitang gilas.
Oh! Kamusta naman buhay mo sa BG, pre?
Ay, bossing, masaya ako sa BG, boss. Tsaka hindi ako nababoard sa BG. Alam nyo guys, mahal na mahal ganyan si bossing. Kaya mas masaya kaming kung ano mo yung ginagawa natin ngayon, bossing. Dahil sa kung ano ka mag-isip. Kasi siya yung visionary ng BG. Yun.
Di pa yung visionary.
Ikaw yung taga-vision.
Ang role talaga ni Max sa BG, ano to happy pill. Dalawa.
Yay! Thank you, bossing. Thank you dun. Kasi hindi ko naman alam na marami na rin para akong napapasayang tao.
Kaya nga minsan, sabi ko sa'yo, kapag sobrang bait mo, madadali ka rin to the point na matitake advantage ka rin. Kahit nga mga mababang edad sa'yo, nadidisrespect ka. Kasi minsan, okay maging mabait, pero kapag sobra kang mabait, ititake advantage siya ng iba. At doon ka mag-iingat. Payong tropa lang.
Oo, bossing. Ano yun eh.
Bulalo tayo mamaya. Mali. Mali. Kaya nga minsan, sabi ko sa'yo, kapag pagka sobrang bait mo, madadali ka rin to the point na matitake advantage ka. Kahit nga mga mababang edad sa'yo, nadidisrespect ka. Kasi minsan, okay pag ibabait, pero kapag sobra kang mabait, ititake advantage siya ng iba. At doon ka mag-iingat. Boss, 30 lang binuhat ko. 30 lang binuhat ko. Ayoko kasi ng 50, baka masyado akong lumakas eh. Hindi natin kilala si Bossing. Yabang lang tayo. Hindi, pero seryoso. 30 lang binuhat ko. Pag 50 kasi. Bago malakas ka na nun. Keisha! How's your school? Hello? Uy! High five! Yes? Hi, teacher. How many stars do you have? Oh, you have 2. How about you? 1 and 2 stars. So, 2 kiss. 2 kiss. Uy. Who wants ice cream? Oh! Say bye now kay teacher. Say bye.
Bye-bye, teacher! Bye, teacher! See you next time!
Look, Keisha, the trunk is in the front. Okay. Fingers. Yes. Yes, that is our car. Yes. We will buy ice cream here. Now. There you go. Keisha, who wants this? For you. Ta-da! Oh, what will you say? Of course, I love you.
I love you, Daddy.
Love you more. How's the ice cream? You like it?
Though today has ended, the night's still young, I'd say.
Oras na para maging mabait na boss. Gising-gising! Energy check! Energy check! Let's go! Gusto ko lang ipakita sa inyo kung gaano ako kabait. Pero pili ka nga dito, Jeff. Tatrabaho ka ba na maayos?
Nagtatrabaho po, ayun mo.
Sigurado ka? Sige nga, bigyan mo ko 15 push-up. Dito mo yun! Isa, dalawa, tatlo, apat, 5! Hirap na yun! Oh, kala mo makakaligtas ka, Brad? Wala natin pampagising parts, hindi pwedeng nakaupo lang palagi. Ikaw! Isa, dalawa, tatlo, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 17, 18, nanginginig na, nanginginig na!
18, 19, 20, 21. O, 20 na. Oh! 85, 86, 87,
28, 29, 30, 31.
30. Ilan niyo sa'yo? 31. 31. Grabe. Gusto mo pumapalapak pa eh.
Ilan pa pala yun? Sobrang lakas mo! Ilan ang push-up ng bawat isa? Kung gaano karami yung push-up, yun yung Christmas bonus. Tatagtag ako! Ilan niya sa'yo? 5,000 lang! Baka kasi, kaya 5 lang yung kay Jerby. Sabi niya, baka maubos yung pera ni Kuya Bon. Tama na to! 5! Motor lang tayo!
Ask for your presence within years in the center of us. We ask for your guidance, Lord. Samahan niyo po kami para sa aming Bible sharing po ngayon sa VG Group na to, Lord.
Yung na-truce kapag na-shake tayo doon, ano ba yung pagkatapos after ng waves? Calmness. Peace.
Alam mo yun, huwag kang bumase dun sa ibang tao or sa kung magkano yung bigay dun. Basta kahit ano pa yan, gawin mo yung best mo.
Mamaliitin yun ng iba eh. Pero the truth is yung pinaka-wisdom, knowledge, and all the actions formulas of success, faith, relationship, nasa Bible, Jace, hindi yan pinagkakait. Hi kids! I have surprise for you. Close your eyes. And then open.
Wow! Tubong mo. Nakakataba ito eh.
Say, Lucas, can you say yummy?
Yummy.
Who wants to eat?
Me! Let's eat!
When it's gone, comes my black shadow, and I don't want to lie,
No, dirty.
but sometimes it's alright. Comes a black shadow.
Isha, do you want to answer more questions? Finish? Nalobat na siya. Kala ko 100% baterya mo.